6, Miss Stewart here. Hope you're all really well. Today in maths we're going to be looking at algebraic expressions and you're going to be generating some. So let me start by giving you an example of what an algebraic expression is. So we've got x divided by 7, or we could write it x divided by 7 like that. So an algebraic expression just means you have a variable, our variable is x, an operation, our operation is divide, and a number, our number is 7. So x divided by 7. Let me give you another example of an algebraic expression. So we've got 8 minus a. We've got our number, which is 8. We've got our operation, which is minus, and we've got our variable, which is a. Let me give you one more example of what an algebraic expression is. Let's have 2k. So we've got our number, we've got our variable, and although we can't see it, a number next to a letter means multiply, so that would be our expression. If you can see, in algebraic expressions there's no equal sign. That would make it an equation. So these are all examples of algebraic expressions. So today in maths you're going to have a go at generating algebraic expressions. You're going to be given some statements and you need to write the algebraic expressions for them. Let me give you some examples and show you what I mean, woodpeckers. So the first statement is 4 more than a. So we'd write a plus 4. 4 more than a. Our next statement is double b. So double b, would write that as 2b because remember the number goes next to the letter when you're multiplying together. So here we have generated algebraic expressions. Let me give you a few more examples. So the next one is 8 more than e. So you'd write e plus 8. 8 more than e is e plus 8. Let's look at another example. The statement is 14 less than I. Should put I minus 14. 14 less than I. And again, as you can see in all of these, you've got your variables, you've got your numbers, and you've got your operations, but you don't have an equal sign. Let me do a few more examples with you, then have a go, see how you get on. So the next one, double n, then add 5. So double n would be 2n, then we'd add 5 like that. Because remember, the letter and the number next to each other means multiply. Let's do one more example. Subtract q from 10. You'd put 10, subtract q, because you're subtracting q from 10. Okay, woodpeckers, have a look at the worksheet on generating algebraic expressions. Don't worry if you struggle with this or find it hard, just email me if you need any help. Also, I've included the answers so you can check and see you're going along the right lines. Let me know how you get on with this. I'm sure you'll find it fairly straightforward. Good luck, have a go, see you soon, take care, bye.